वेलकम टू पंडोले स्टडीज़। तो आज मैं आपके लिए यहाँ पर लेकर आई हूँ एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट और एक बहुत ही सीरियस टॉपिक, और जिससे हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट होते हैं और आने वाले फ्यूचर में हम और भी ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्टिव होंगे अगर हम इस पर अभी पकड़ नहीं बना लेते हैं। यह आज का हमारा टॉपिक है जिसका नाम है एसे ऑन वाटर पोल्यूशन। वाटर पोल्यूशन एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है हमारे देश में और पूरे दुनिया में, जो हमें ही दूर करनी है धीरे धीरे हमारे प्रयासों द्वारा। और ऐसे ही वीडियोस के लिए आप पंडोले स्टडीज़ को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को हिट कर लीजिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एसे ऑन वाटर पोल्यूशन। वाटर इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रिसोर्स फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल ऑन आवर प्लानट. It is the essence of life on our planet Earth. But if you ever see a river or lake around your city, it would be evident to you that we are facing a very serious problem of water pollution. Let us educate ourselves about water and water pollution. Two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered by water, and 66% of our body is made up of water only. Water and water cycle. As you already know, water is everywhere and all around. However, we have a fixed amount of water on earth. It just changes its state and goes through a cyclic order known as the water cycle. The water cycle is a natural process that is constituted in nature always. Continuous in nature always. It is the pattern in which the water from oceans, seas, lakes, etc. gets evaporated in term of vapor, after which it goes through the process of condensation and finally precipitate, and then it falls back to earth as rain or snow. What is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, aquifers and groundwater, usually caused due to human activities. Water pollution is any change, minor or major, is in the physical, chemical or biological property of water that eventually leads to a determinal sequence of any living organism. Drinking water, called potable water, is considered safe enough for human and animal consumption. Sources of water pollution: domestic waste, industrial waste, effluents, insecticides and pesticides, detergents and fertilizers are some source of water pollutions. Some of the water pollutants are caused by direct sources such as factories, waste management facilities, refineries, etc. that directly release water waste and dangerous by-product into the nearest water source without treating them. Industries sources include pollutants that influence the water bodies via groundwater or soil water via the atmospheric through acidic rain. Diseases. In human, drinking or consuming polluted water in any way has many disastrous effects on our health. It causes typhoid, cholera, hepatitis and various other diseases. Eradication of ecosystem. Ecosystem is extremely dynamic and responsible to even small changes in the environment. Increasing water pollution can cause an entire ecosystem to collapse if left unchecked. Eutrophication. Chemicals accumulation and infiltration in water bodies encourages the growth of algae. The algae form a layer on top of the pond or lake. Bacteria feed on this algae, and this event decreases the amount of oxygen in the water bodies, severely affecting the aquatic life there. Effects of the food chain. Turmoil in food chain happen when the aquatic animals, fish, prawn, seahorse, etc. consume the toxin and pollutant in the water, and then the human consume them. Prevention of water pollution. The best way to prevent large-scale water pollution is to try and reduce its harmful effects. There are numerous small changes we can make to protect ourselves from a future where water is scarce. Conserve water. Conserving water should be our first aim. Water wastage is a major problem globally, and we are only now waking up to the issue. Simple small changes made domestically will make a huge difference. Just use one bucket of water in place of two. Just like that, we can use this, we can conserve the water. Treatment of sewage. Treating waste product before disposing of it in water bodies help reduce water pollution on a large scale. Agriculture or other industries can reuse this wastewater by reducing its toxic contents. We should reuse, reduce and recycle water uses. Use of environment friendly products. By using soluble products that do not go on to become pollutants, we can reduce the amount of water pollution caused by household, factories, hotels, industries, etc. Conclusion. Life is ultimately about choices, and so is water pollution. We cannot live with sewage strewn beaches, contaminated rivers and water bodies and fish that are poisonous to drink or eat. To avoid these scenarios, we can work together to keep the environment clean so the water bodies, plants, animals and people who depend on it remains healthy. We can think individual and team action to help water pollution reduce. As an example, by using environmentally friendly detergents, not pouring oil down the drain, reducing the usage of pesticides and many more, we can take community action to keep our rivers and seas cleaner. And we can take action as countries and continents to pass laws against the water pollution. By working with each other, we can make water pollution less of a problem and the world a better place. So guys, हमारा लेक्चर यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाता है। आप पंडोले स्टडीज़ को ऐसे ही अच्छे वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को हिट कर लीजिए ताकि मेरे वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको ही मिले ऐसी वीडियोस के लिए। और इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और इस वीडियो को समझकर इससे सीख लेकर कि हमें वाटर को कैसे पॉल्यूटेड होने से बचाना चाहिए, इसे सीखिए और इसको अपनी ज़िंदगी में अप्लाई कीजिए, क्योंकि हम सभी जानते हैं कि जल ही जीवन है, यानी कि वाटर इज़ लाइफ। हमें इस चीज़ को समझकर ही आगे चलना चाहिए। और इसी के साथ ये लेक्चर यहाँ पे ख़त्म होता है। सो गाइज, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। डू लाइक दिस वीडियो, कमेंट्स ऑन दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो विथ योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू पंडोले स्टडीज़। थैंक यू।